What if I told you that your favorite snack, peanut butter, has something in common with one of the most coveted treasures on Earth? No, it's not just its rich, creamy texture or its ability to fix a bad day. It's carbon, that's right. The humble jar of peanut butter sitting in your kitchen could, under the right conditions, transform into a glittering diamond. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? But this isn't some wild fantasy, it's real science. Researchers have actually managed to turn peanut butter into diamonds. It's not exactly a simple process, but it's proof that even the most ordinary things can hold extraordinary potential. Here's the big question. How do you turn a sticky sandwich spread into one of the hardest substances known to man? And what does this tell us about the chemistry of our world? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll never look at peanut butter or diamonds the same way again. Diamonds are symbols of luxury, wealth, and eternal love. But at their core, they're just pure carbon, atoms arranged in a specific crystalline structure. And while we typically associate diamonds with deep earth volcanic processes or high-tech labs, it turns out you don't need an exotic source of carbon to make them. All you need is pressure, heat, and, well, peanut butter. Yes, the same substance you spread on toast can serve as the raw material for diamond making. This is thanks to carbon, which makes up about 50% of peanut butter. The process involves extracting that carbon and subjecting it to the same extreme conditions found deep within the earth. But why peanut butter? And why bother turning it into diamonds in the first place? To answer that, we need to dive into the fascinating world of high-pressure science, a field that pushes materials to their limits to reveal hidden properties. Here's the thing about diamonds. While they're valuable and beautiful, they're also difficult to make artificially. Natural diamonds take billions of years to form deep within the earth, where carbon is subjected to immense pressure and heat. Creating them in a lab requires sophisticated equipment that can replicate these conditions. But scientists are constantly searching for new ways to produce diamonds, especially for industrial use, where diamonds are prized not for their sparkle, but for their hardness and durability. This is where peanut butter comes in. The challenge lies in extracting carbon from such an unconventional source and applying the extreme conditions needed to transform it. And when we say extreme, we mean it. Pressures of over 1.3 million times that of Earth's atmosphere and temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees Celsius. It's not as simple as throwing a jar of peanut butter into a pressure cooker. The breakthrough came from scientists experimenting with high-pressure systems. One of the pioneers in this field is Dan Frost, a researcher at the Bayerisches Geo-Institut in Germany. Frost specializes in studying conditions deep inside the Earth's mantle, where diamonds naturally form. As part of his experiments, Frost decided to see if peanut butter could be used as a carbon source. After all, peanut butter is rich in organic compounds, and its high carbon content makes it an intriguing candidate. Here's how it works. 1. Carbon extraction. The first step is isolating the carbon from the peanut butter. 1. This involves breaking down the organic compounds into their basic elements. 2. High-pressure system. The extracted carbon is placed in a high-pressure chamber capable of replicating the conditions found deep within the earth. 3. Crystallization. Under extreme pressure and heat, the carbon atoms rearrange themselves into the crystalline structure that defines a diamond. The result? Tiny diamonds that are chemically identical to natural ones. While they're not large enough for jewelry, they're perfect for industrial applications, like cutting tools and high-performance electronics. Here's the mind-blowing part. This isn't just about peanut butter. The process demonstrates how nearly any carbon-based material can be transformed into diamonds under the right conditions. It's a testament to the incredible versatility of carbon, the building block of life and the universe. And it doesn't stop there. High-pressure experiments like these are helping scientists understand the extreme environments of other planets. For instance, some researchers believe that on planets like Neptune and Uranus, it rains diamonds, literally. These gas giants have the perfect conditions for carbon to crystallize, creating a phenomenon that sounds like pure science fiction, but is entirely possible. What started as a quirky experiment with peanut butter has opened doors to understanding the universe in ways we never imagined. So what's the takeaway here? Peanut butter isn't just a tasty treat. It's a reminder of the hidden potential in the everyday materials around us. The idea that you can turn something so ordinary into something extraordinary, like a diamond, is a powerful metaphor for the transformative power of science. More than that, it shows us how the same principles that govern the deepest parts of our planet can be used to unlock mysteries across the cosmos. Whether it's diamonds on Earth or diamond rain on distant planets, the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself.